Well, hello everybody. Finally got my guitar back together. This is a Hondo 2. You can't tell because I have a sticker over that. I don't know if you can see it or not. But it's just a Strat copy. I ripped all the paint off of it. And I decided that I wasn't going to paint it again. And I got sick of not playing it. So I just put it back together, put some strings on it. And now we get to see if it records any good on this camera. It's always a test with me, so let's see how it turns out. Oops. Doesn't sound too bad, I guess. Nope. Hope it sounded alright. We'll check it out, and if it sounds good, I'll post it up. If not, we'll toss it out.